My name is Gary Baumann. I'm a shareholder in a Florida insurance defense law firm. We have 4 offices throughout Florida. We're pretty much your standard insurance defense firm. We have locations in Jacksonville, Tampa, Orlando, and Fort Lauderdale, and we handle statewide work for a number of companies upon insurance referrals primarily. Well, I think in part it started because the industry really boomed out here in California a number of years ago. But what I've seen, and I've been coming to West Coast for about 6 years now, and I'm seeing more and more folks like myself coming from the East Coast out here because there are common interests with the people who do the work, who assign the work, and also ways to learn on how to improve your business model for handling these types of files depending upon who you're representing. Well, with the change in the economy, what I've seen over the last few years are trends to become more productive and getting more bang for your buck from your client's perspective. And what we've tried to do to accomplish this is develop a way in which we can reduce some of the typical large expenses on a file, such as preparing for a mediation, getting your expert ramped up for mediation, and if you're the general contractor or the developer, trying to coordinate pre-mediation conferences to accomplish a more expedited goal of claim resolution. And one way we've done that is to implement the use of the internet and webinars, presentations, whereby we have all the parties attend, and we invite them to invite their insurance adjusters, their own experts, and there's a number of ways you can do this format. You can have it where they are just an audience watching your presentation, or you can have it interactive where they can type in questions or ask questions live if it's a webinar, and really get to some point where everybody has a better understanding of what their role is going to be in an upcoming mediation and what's going to be expected of them at that mediation. The goal, again, is to reduce the number of mediations, which seems to be a plague in this industry. It takes 3 and 4 mediations to get anything done, and it shouldn't have to if everyone's adequately prepared. If you get everybody prepared ahead of time, and really the most cost-effective way to do that is with the technology that's available to everyone, there's no reason why you can't settle this case in 1, maybe 2 mediations and try to cut the whole process in half. I think everyone's looking for a way to save some money and also get the same type of results that they are accustomed to by spending a larger sum of money. And there's a fair amount of fat somewhere in the middle they'd like to try and cut out. And I think that's a common goal for everyone, because a happy client, even if it's an expedited resolution, means they're going to send me more work, and so that's my goal as their counsel.